Wasn't able to do that. Still an opportunity. Comes off the post. Kise. Can it go over the whole of the line? All of Sekhukhune United. I think the goal's been given by that celebration. Looked as if the whole of the ball went over the whole of the line past Chain. And the Orlando Pirates fans are shocked. Goal from Sekhukhune Kise.
Penso sarà perché Brighton Ndlovu funa ke upreject Robla enhlutsa kamnandi Munare ya shale mpahla Steshas Deshile 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 uyabaleta udesha Munare.
And suddenly Orbit College found himself on the back foot. Scrambling back is Setlodi. Mube! The cross from Makhawa, the conversion from Mube, the centre back sleeping again. 2-0. Oh. 2 assists from Makhawa.
Given away by Lilepo for Ramala. Munare takes over. Oh! He's done it again. Bradley Grobler has restored Sekhukhune United's advantage. Once again.
Lovely little ball. Good touch as well. Sleepy defence from Orbit College. They pay the price. Mube missed an opportunity with a good defence from Matsamela earlier on, but Mube is the man who finds the back of the net.